Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert watermark only on last page in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to insert watermark only on last page. Go to the last page. Then click the last after page and go to the layout menu, then click text drop down menu, then choose continuous, then go to the design menu and click watermark option, then choose custom watermark, then check mark on the text watermark and write text on the box. Then change the color, then choose the yellow color and check mark of the semi-transparent, then click OK. Then we go to the insert menu and click header option, then choose blank header. Then go to the last page and click link to previous. Then go to the after last page, then click the watermark and delete. Then click close header and footer. Now we can see here we insert watermark only on last page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.